Hello and welcome all. The construction industry in New Zealand has been growing rapidly for the past couple of years. This means that this has also led to a shortage of workers in that industry. So, which means that many of the roles in this civil or construction engineering fields have been added to the green list. So, what this course being in the green list means is that if a student is able to meet the requirements, there are high chances that they will get a job in this industry. So, I'm sure many students also want to have some idea about the kind of courses that they can study in this field in New Zealand. So, in this video, we'll be discussing the undergraduate courses in civil or construction in New Zealand. So, Savi, starting with you.
Yes, Anushi. So these students who are thinking of pursuing an undergraduate degree in civil or construction, then New Zealand has some of the top universities for them. Like you can go for University of Auckland, University of Canterbury, Auckland University of Technology, Massey University, and Unitec. Plus, the best thing about these universities is that they provide you with excellent education along with research-based programs as well.
Yes, of course. Adding on to your points about the skills shortage, engineering is a profession which is highly in demand in New Zealand. And students who choose to study a course may choose from various providers like universities and Bukenga, New Zealand Institutes of Skills and Technology. Furthermore, in New Zealand, the students can have three types of engineering qualifications if we are talking at undergraduate level. The first one is a 4 years Bachelors of Engineering honors, which is a 4 years duration, as I said. The second one is a 3 years Bachelors in Technology degree, like Bachelors in Engineering Technology, and the third one being a 2 years Diploma in Engineering. Now, depending on the specialization the students may want to do, the career options they would like to have, they may choose to do a specialization in civil engineering, structural engineering, then earthquake engineering, quantity surveying. So the options are huge. So depending on your career aspirations, you may choose to do either a 4 years of bachelor's in engineering degree, a 3 years of bachelor in engineering technology, or a 2 years diploma, which would make you a civil engineering technician.
So, ma'am, since you talked about the bachelor degree, so if we talk about the entry requirements, so the entry requirements is basically students need to have completed a high school diploma and preferably with a good academic score. And with since it's a degree which is related to engineering and technology, so they should have studied science subjects like physics, chemistry, and maths in their class 12 as well. And I think depending on the university also the score requirement or the academic score requirement might differ. And for English language the score is usually which is required is IELTS band overall 6 with no band less than 5.5.
Yes, there are certain entry requirements which the students need to meet if they would like to do a bachelor's program. As you said, that the academic entry requirements, which may include subject-specific requirements as well as percentage of marks, as well as English language. Now, once the students they have completed this bachelor's in civil engineering with any specialization they might have done, so as per the policy, they would be getting a post-study work visa of 3 years. Now, this is a 3 years time where the students can find a job related to the qualification they have done. Now, 3 years is a huge time. Civil engineering being in a shortage skill list, there are high chances that the students would land up in a job. And the starting salary of a civil engineer is approximately about 90,000, which may increase depending on the company you're joining and your work experience as you gain the experience in this line. So the demand is huge and chances of getting the job are also huge.
Yes, definitely. Bachelor's is a great option, but there might be students who do not want to go for a bachelor's degree. So, New Zealand has another option for them, which is your diploma. And the duration of this course is about 2 years, plus it comes under the level 6. And if we talk about the specialization, then you have your construction management, your quantity surveying is also there. Then you have property development, and many more.
And so, as you talked about the level 6 diploma, so the entry requirements again is quite similar to the bachelor's. So, basically, students need to have completed a high school diploma with relevant science subjects. The academic score requirement might be a little bit lower compared to the bachelor's requirement, and the English language score also remains the same, which is overall band 6 score with the no bands less than 5.5.
Yeah, there may be students who may not like to do a complete bachelor's of engineering, civil engineering degrees in the starting itself. So, as you said, the New Zealand diploma in civil engineering or quantity surveying is a good option for them. Reason being that these courses feature in green list, and once the students successfully complete the course, they would get a post-study work visa of 2 years. Here, the students must note that the post-study work visa is because these courses are in the green list. So you complete 2 years of course, let's say 2 years of New Zealand diploma in construction management, and then you get 2 years of post-study work visa, which means that you got 2 years to find a job relevant to this. And these courses being in the shortage list, featuring in the green list, the chances are high that the students would land up in a job. And the starting salary of a civil engineer technician, as per the sources in New Zealand, is New Zealand dollars 50,000, which is quite attractive. And this may increase depending on the work experience, and while working you get work experience, and that would add on to it. So the scope is huge.
Hope this video on the undergraduate courses in construction or civil engineering in New Zealand was helpful to the viewers. And if you feel like you still need more information regarding this, you can contact West Highland Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.